Hey, how you doing? Map here, Map Investments. Let's talk about the market today and some of the economic news. Dollar is down under 94 at 93.78. All foreign currencies are up. Bitcoin is trying to make a run at its high with the ETF coming up tomorrow. BITO. This is a Bitcoin future, which is equivalent to 5 Bitcoins. So it's a big product. If I'm not mistaken, all-time high is 63.5 on the Bitcoin. Oil reversed today. I want to say oil on the 1 day chart. Yeah, it was at 83 and it got sold off down to 81, and that's where we're lingering. The 81 range, 81.60 right now. S&P is up a little bit, 250. Futures opened up again at 6 p.m. Oh wow, gold up 7. Interesting. Gold up 7. The meats continue to be at highs, so meat prices will be high. Hogs at 78 cents has come down some. Copper is at 475. It's at the higher end of its range. And I want to say all-time high is 530, I want to say. So it's making higher highs. And copper is, they say it's a metal that they're using a lot now in the EV space, in the alternative energy space. That's right, yeah. Small caps down 2. NASDAQ up 8. Dow Jones down 12. Natural gas under 5. And natural gas has been nasty. It's been up and down big time. There was over 6. Now it's under 5. It got hit hard today. If you look at the chart, here's a chart. It was at 578. Now it's under 5. Big move. That's huge move. Nikkei up 115 is the future. Palladium and platinum up. Some of the metals are up today. Silver after hours 14, up 14 cents. So maybe they're waking up to inflation finally. VIX up a little bit at 1665. The grains up a little bit. I think we will have a WASD report soon here on the grains. Interest rates are down. Well, 30 years flat and the 10 years up, and that means rates are down. And that's pretty much it for the futures. Trade-wise, order-wise, I think I had probably 20 fills, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, about 20 fills, semi-active. I do work, so I take a look here and there on a break, and I'll put some trades on. What was trending? So what was trending? Let's see what I opened up here. This is Zillow. So Zillow was down big today. I did a broken wing butterfly to the downside to try and pin it at about 80 something dollars, low 80s. So Bitcoin decided to stop buying real estate for now. They're having problems getting people to fix up the houses that they've bought. Materials are unpredictable, and I think they've purchased like 3,000 houses, and they have a backlog of houses that they need to get to. So the interesting thing is that I'm long open, and open was up today, if I'm not mistaken. It was up today, yeah. And I have a spread in there, which is okay. It's doing okay. I mentioned it in my other videos. I have the 20 call, and I sold the 30 call against it. So it's doing okay, that position. I I closed Coinbase because I was up nicely, so I closed that. I closed Fast. I closed IGT. Those were assigned to me, and I closed them, and I stayed with the calls. I missed them on expiration on Friday. This one, it was a bio play called Oyster, I think. Oyster. Yes, a bio play. It's not looking too good right now. Came down some. I closed Mara. I don't want to get greedy. Made a nice profit on Mara. I closed gold. I closed Enphase energy because I already had 50% gain. What is this here? Oh, Macy's. I did a broken wing butterfly. Macy's was flying for a credit at $30. I also did Disney. Disney got hammered. Actually did a calendar spread on Disney. ALPP was trending on stock tweets, and I bought stock. I think it was up on the after hours. I just bought 100 shares. You know, one of those low floats that maybe pop and go up $5, $6. Who knows? SOS is a China Bitcoin play. Seemed to be beat up and it seemed to be trending on the options market. So I picked up an option. So it was RLX. Kodak was trending as well. And I did positions in United Steel, Carnival, Baidu, Roku, and natural gas. So that's what I saw today in the market. On the news front, where I told you about Zillow, you had Carl Icahn come out and talk about the market eventually will run into a wall, and that inflation is pretty nuts. And they were talking a lot about Bitcoin. I think that's pretty much it. I think they talked about, I can't remember what they said about housing. I think housing was, let me see if there's housing news here. Real estate. But they were mainly talking about the Zillow real estate. China, Zillow could restart buying homes early next year. Home builders are more optimistic despite supply chain problems. This is what I wanted to talk about. Mortgage originations will drop 33% in 22 as interest rates rise. So and China is having a lot of problems with the real estate market. Defaults loom over more property developers as China reassures investors on Evergrande. Evergrande's a big deal over there in China. China's having their problems with real estate. Big issue. Chanos is betting against IBM. He's been saying that for a long time. And that was pretty much it. Let's see. We have earnings coming up. I don't think tomorrow we have Netflix after hours. So we have 38 tomorrow, 76 on Wednesday. So it's going to start to get busy. 94 on Thursday, and then the following week is going to get heavy. Trending, we got GameStop. I don't know what coin this is. Novus Network. That's probably on Binance. Macy's. Fuelcell. I'm in Fuelcell. That was really doing well. Kodak, I got into Roku. I have Anchor, another coin trending. ALPP is trending. Net, I miss Net, man, completely. Shame on me, man. And I was watching this stock since like the 150s, 140s. I missed that bad boy. Anyways, that's what I saw trending in the news today. Gotta be a little bit more careful because we got earnings coming up. I didn't see anything that caught my attention for earnings this afternoon or tomorrow morning. If I do see some, maybe I'll do some videos and put some trades on for earnings fun. It should be a fun end of month here with all these earnings in October and Halloween. Anyways, chime in the comments, like the video, subscribe, share with your friends and families, and let's make some money. Fuelcell, I think Fuelcell was doing good for me today. They were very, very active on the bar chart, most actives. I want to say they were probably top 10 on the options chains, which that's pretty unusual. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the seventh most active. I got into Fuelcell. Let me see where I have Fuelcell. It's probably in this account. No. I trade several accounts, so I have Fuelcell right here. I have the January 10 call. It's up 80%. So right here, I bought the 10 call in Fuelcell. Very active. Look very interesting. IV rank is still low. I'm out in January, so I'm looking pretty good. I got time. So yeah, this one caught my eye, and I got into Fuelcell because I saw it before it moved. I'll tell you when I got into Fuelcell. I mean, it was less than a month ago. That's for sure. I got into Fuelcell. Let's see, Fuelcell. Because I saw them buying calls, and when I got into it, Fuelcell, I got into it on 9/23 at 2:14 p.m. for 76 cents. So, yeah, and incredible. Almost a month ago, I got into this. That's crazy. Time flies. I didn't even realize that. Incredible. Anyways, like the video, share it, and have a good night. Bye-bye.